If we're not seeing the pilot gas pressure, any gas pressure or an incorrect gas pressure, our regulator can be an issue. If it's not regulating correctly, it's one thing, but the other thing that sometimes happens with these is they sit. So if this burner sits all weekend and you turn it on Monday morning, this diaphragm and valve have been in the closed position all weekend. Sometimes we'll have failures because the regulator's just gotten sticky. And so we may have a flame failure the first time we try to light it every Monday morning, and if we reset it and let it go through again, it works fine. And in that case, I just recommend replacing the regulator. It's not an expensive device, but if we get moisture in there or it gets gummed up, it can really become one of those intermittent problems that drives you crazy. If the solenoid doesn't open, you won't have any pressure, or you'll only have pressure that you're seeing from the fan. So the first thing is we can use a non-magnetized screwdriver to verify that it is being energized, and we can feel that pulling on the screwdriver tip. But secondly, we get that manometer or gauge downstream and verify that, boom, we are getting that gas pressure. If the solenoid fails open, we may have a flooded pilot situation where it's got gas going into the pilot all the time, and we also don't have a reliable startup. So just a couple things to look at there.